Hello America, this is Keith, your friendly neighborhood technician, coming back at you with some more useful tips on, is my refrigerator not working correctly? Is it going out? What do I gotta blah, 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 blah. Things to look for on the way things work. Okay, now, you ever been open your refrigerator and you felt it really warm right around the freezer? That's a good sign your fridge is working correctly. If it gets really, really hot, your fridge isn't working correctly, which probably means you have your coils that need to be cleaned, because if you wore a jacket in the summertime, you're going to overheat. Your coils are the same way. If they're dirty, they're going to collect dust, which is not going to allow the machine to cool correctly. Which means this around here is called your emollient loop, hot gas loop. There's many, many ways to explain it. But if this is really, really hot, you have a problem. And also, if this is not hot and you're not cold, you also have another problem there. That's something you're probably not going to be able to fix. But like I said, if this is really, really hot, and you also may feel it also on the sides over here, maybe also really, really hot. Okay, if that is the case, if you touch it, it's like, whoa, hey, you have a problem. But if you don't feel any heat there and it's not cold, you have an issue. Another thing, how many of you have ice makers in your refrigerators? We don't have one over here. But if you have an ice maker in your fridge, let's come over here real quick. We'll just use this one as an example, because I know this one doesn't have one. No ice maker. Cut for a second till I can find an ice maker. Okay, so if you have an ice maker in your refrigerator, one thing to watch for. Your ice maker will only make ice when your freezer is below 10 degrees. So if your ice maker is not functioning, what is the temperature of your fridge? If your freezer is above 10 degrees, your ice maker is going to stop. That's a good sign you may have something going wrong with your fridge. It's a good step to say, hey, why isn't this working? Let's see what we can do. Same thing with your side-by-sides. Your heat is going to be around this. Also, like I said, on your sides. Those are the things to look for. If you start seeing these, you're going to have a problem sooner than later. So get to a tech. Try and figure it out yourself. But if you don't think you can figure it out, call a tech. That's what we're here for. We're here to fix stuff, to help it make your life easier. Don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel. Come back more for some great content later on.